Hello student, today I will discuss osmosis. First of all, what is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? You remember in diffusion, movement of molecules from higher to lower concentration, and there is no barrier in between these two concentrated solution. But in osmosis, both the concentrated solution is separated by semi-permeable membrane. Then we can say osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. यहाँ भी तुम क्या देख रहे हो कि वाटर का मूवमेंट क्या हो रहा है, हाई टू लो. डिफ्यूजन में भी क्या हुआ था, हायर टू लोअर. बट इन डिफ्यूजन there is no involvement of semi-permeable membrane. But here, both the concentrated solution is separated by semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis is a mechanical diffusion process by which cell absorb water without spending any amount of energy. Let us see what will happen if we put an animal cell or plant cell into a sugar solution or salt solution. One of the following three things could happen. First, if the surrounding concentration of surrounding is higher in comparison of inner, then cell will gain water by osmosis. Such a dilute solution is called hypotonic solution. In such a situation, cells is likely to swell up. Excess swelling of cell may be burst, and this is called hemolyzed. पहले सॉल्यूशन में क्या देखें कि अगर सराउंडिंग सेल जो है वो हायर कंसंट्रेटेड हो इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ इनर सेल के, तो सेल will gain water. Number second, in second case, if concentration of surrounding and cell are same, then there will no movement of water across the cell membrane. Such solution is called isotonic solution. In such a situation, water move in all the direction and the amount going in is the same as the amount going out, and the cell will remain the same size. अगर दोनों का, अगर सेल के अंदर का और सेल के बाहर का कंसंट्रेशन इक्वल हो तो मूव होगा, लेकिन जितना अंदर गया उतना ही बाहर आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स कि देयर इज नो चेंज and cell will remain the same size. And the third stage, when the outer surrounding, the concentrated is lower in comparison of inner cell, then the cell will lose water by osmosis. Such a concentrated solution is called hypertonic solution. In this case, cell will shrink. अगर वो बाहर आता है, अगर सेल के अंदर का कंसंट्रेशन हाइयर हो और आउटर सराउंडिंग में लोअर कंसंट्रेशन हो, तो हाइयर से लोअर की ओर आएगा और सेल जो है वो लूज करेगा वाटर, इट मीन्स श्रिंक हो करेगा।